So we got ginger, pimento seed, and we got the bay leaf, we got the all-star right here, and also we got some cloves into the water. All right. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're going to put the sorrel into it like this. All right. Yeah. So there it is. That's the sorrel. And what we're gonna do, put a little bit more liquid into it. All right. Yeah. All right. So that's why it looked this kind of way. Otherwise, it is one of those an amazing drink. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this off the pot, off the heat. We're gonna take this off of the heat now and straight it off. Pour off this beautiful sorrel. Nice one. All right, so that looking with Chef Ricardo, look at that. 100% natural. All right, now let's try this and see what it tastes. Wow, so look at that, beautiful. Anyway, remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. You might have said, what is it doing? I'm gonna put a 2 slices of lemon inside of it. And then what you wanna do, drink it and be grateful, 100%. As I said before, a lot of people will say, why I make it this way? But I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with this way, guys. This is a healthy way and one of the best way you could ever drink the sorrel juice at home. Try it this way this Christmas and come back and tell me exactly what do you think.